Today start. Look here. A next reaction, next addition of alcohol. Next reaction, addition of alcohol. Look here. A alcohol adds on aldehyde. Alcohol adds on ketones. This reaction is a nucleophilic addition reaction. Nucleophilic addition reaction. Look here, all of you, 1 minute. The name of the compound here are RCOH. Correct. Name of the compound, you know, this is step first here. Okay, step first. Correct? Yes. Name of the compound aldehyde. Name of the compound aldehyde. You know, phenyl alcohol, monohydric alcohol, anhydrous monohydric alcohol. Anhydrous monohydric alcohol. R-OH. In presence of dry hydrogen chloride. In presence of dry, okay, HCl. Okay, dry HCl. Okay, first it gives compound here. First, you know, like this R. Next C. Next H. OH. Next H. Okay, next OR dash. Look here, a name of the compound here, a alkoxy alcohol. What is this? Alkoxy alcohol, hemiacetal. Hemiacetal. Look here, everybody, hemiacetal. Alkoxy alcohol. Alkoxy alcohol. Correct? Yes. Look here, everybody, hemi. Okay, here hemi means half. Hemi means half. Hemi means half. Look here, phenaldehyde is reacted with or adds on. Okay, anhydrous monohydric alcohol in presence of dry HCl. In presence of dry HCl. Okay, here dilute HCl. Reversible reaction. Okay, in acidic medium. Okay, in presence of acid. And first it gives hemiacetal. Hemiacetal or alkoxy alcohol. Look here, next ROH, RCOH. Next is the OR dash hemiacetal. Adds. Same alcohol. Okay, second molecules. Actually, this is the step second. This is the step second. Step second. Step second. You know, the further, everybody hemiacetal further react with a same anhydrous monohydric alcohol. Anhydrous monohydric alcohol means R-OH. Correct? Yes. Look here, compound like this, same condition. You know, dry HCl. Correct? Yes. Next, dilute HCl. Dilute HCl. You know compound like this R. Next O H. Next, okay, OH. Next is the OR. OR dash. OR dash here. Correct? Yes. Name of the compound acetal. Name of the compound here acetal. H here. 1 minute. H. Acetal. Acetal. Look here, all of you. Okay, this compound, everybody, this is the unstable compound. Hemiacetal, unstable compound. Okay, this is the astable compound. What is this? This is the astable compound here. Correct? Yes. Look here, first steps. Your first step, a formation of acetal. First step, a formation of hemiacetal. Formation of hemiacetal. Hemiacetal. Okay. Look here, step second. You know, step second, formation of, okay, here, formation of acetal. Formation of acetal. Correct? Yes. Look here, first steps here. First step, formation of hemiacetal phenaldehyde is reacted with alcohol, or phenaldehyde adds on. You know, here a anhydrous monohydric alcohol in presence of dry hydrogen chloride. Okay. First it gives alkoxy alcohol. Alkoxy alcohol means hemiacetal. This compound is unstable compound is unstable. Everybody, step second, formation of acetal. Step second, a formation of acetal. This hemiacetal, okay, again adds on, or another one more molecules of monohydric alcohol adds on hemiacetal. Same condition in presence of dry hydrogen chloride to form stable compound acetal. To form a stable compound acetal means geminal dialkoxy compound. Geminal dialkoxy compound. General reaction, formation of hemiacetal. Okay, simple. Look here, everybody, any problem here? A first step, formation of hemiacetal. A second step, formation of acetal. Okay, next. Look here. Okay, next questions. Everybody, next question. What is the action of ethyl alcohol on acetaldehyde? Next, what is the action of? Next is what is the action of ethyl alcohol? What is the action of ethyl alcohol on acetal? Correct? Yes. Look here, all of you. A step first here. Step first. You know, step first, like this. Look here, compound here, acetaldehyde, CH3COH. Name of the compound, you know, here name of the compound acetaldehyde. Okay, addition reaction, nucleophilic addition reaction with ethyl alcohol. C2H5OH. Correct? Yes, ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol, correct? Yes. In presence of all of you, dry HCl, in presence of hydrogen chloride. You know here, dilute HCl, acidic medium reaction. You know, first it gives like this. First it gives CH3, CH2H5. Okay, next is the OH. Name of the compound here, all of you. Name of the compound hemiacetal. Name of the compound hemiacetal. What is this? Unstable compound. What is this? Unstable compound. Look here, second. You know, second here, 1 minute. Step second, like this. Step second. Formation of acetal. 1 minute. You know, hemiacetal like this. CH3, next CH, next OC2H5. OH again adds. Okay, same monohydric alcohol, same ethyl alcohol. Means C2H5OH. Same conditions. Same condition. Presence of dry HCl. Okay, like this. Dilute HCl. Correct? Yes. Name of the compound here, CH3, C, next H, OC2H5. Next, okay, OC2H5. Look here, a name of the compound here, step second, 1,1-diethoxyethane. 1,1, okay, like this, 1,1-diethoxy. Okay, diethoxyethane. diethoxyethane. Diethoxyethane in brackets stable compound. In brackets stable compound. Correct? Yes. Look here, first step here. Everybody, first step. A formation of hemiacetal. Hemi means half. Hemi means half. Step second, formation of acetal. Formation of acetal. When acetaldehyde is reacted with ethyl alcohol, or when ethyl alcohol adds on acetaldehyde in presence of dry hydrogen chloride, first it gives hemiacetal. First it gives hemiacetal. Hemiacetal is an unstable compound. Hemiacetal is an unstable compound. Then adds everybody another. Okay. Okay, this is the second alcohol molecule. Same condition to form a 1,1-diethoxyethane. This is the stable compound with acetal. What is this? Acetal. Correct? Yes. Question simple. What is the action of ethyl alcohol on acetaldehyde? What is the action of a ethyl alcohol on acetaldehyde? Okay, this reaction is a nucleophilic addition reaction. What is this? Nucleophilic addition reaction. Okay, first question. Look here next. Look here next. Everybody, everybody same condition. Hemi-ketal, ketal. Okay, one reaction here. Simple reaction in case of ketones. In case of ketones, like this. What is the action of ethyl alcohol? Okay, what is the action of here ethyl alcohol on acetone? Simple, like this. Step first. Step first, like this. Okay, step first. Correct? Yes. Here is step first. Look here, compound CH3COCH3 reaction with C2H5OH. Name of the compound here acetone. Name of the compound acetone. Here ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol in presence of. Next. In presence of a dry HCl. Correct? Here, like this, dilute HCl. Compound like this. Hemiacetal, unstable compound. Here, hemi-ketal compound. Ketal, hemi-ketal. C. Okay, O. Means here, OC2H5. Like this, CH3. Correct? Next, OC2H5. OC2H5. Correct? Yes. Name of the compound? Hemi-ketal. 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 Correct? Yes. Okay. Unstable. Unstable compound. What is this? This is the unstable compound here. Correct? Yes. Look here, next here, hemiacetal, OH, 1 minute. OH, everybody here, OH2H5, like, correct. Look here, next compound, CH3, COH, OC2H5, next CH3, correct. Next add. Okay, same. C2H5OH. Compound ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. Here, like this. Same condition. Means dry HCl. Dry HCl. Next, dilute HCl. Product here. Ketal compound. Like this ketal. Okay. CH3, OC2H5 or 1 minute, like this. CH3, OC2H5, next OC2H5. Name of the compound ketal. Name of the compound ketal. Stable compound. Okay, stable compound. Okay, this example not in textbook here. Okay, this is not example. Okay, example not in a textbook. Okay, here. Look here, when acetone react with ethyl alcohol. Fail acetone is a react with ethyl alcohol in presence of dry HCl. First it gives hemiacetal, unstable compound. Then react with ethyl alcohol in presence of dry HCl, hydrogen chloride to form ketal. Okay, this is the stable compound. This is the stable compound. Correct? Yes. Look here. A step first. Everybody, this is the step second. First step, formation of hemiketal, and second step, formation of ketal, stable compound. Yes? Okay. Look here next. Look here, all of you. A next reaction, next questions here. What is the action of? Simple questions. What is the action of ethylene glycol on ketone? Ethylene glycol on acetone. Look here, firstly general reaction here. General reaction. You know, ketone, everybody. RCOR. What is the name of this compound? Ketone compound. Ketone. What is this? Ketone. Okay, ketone. Like this. R. Okay, yes. Reacted with. You know, here reacted with like this. HO, CH2. Next, HO. Name of the compound. Look here, you know, ethane 1,2 diols. Ethane 1,2 diols. You know, ethylene glycol. Okay, simple. You know, 1 minute. Ketone here. Ketone RCOR. Ketone compound. Ketone. Remove the water. Remove the water here like this. Remove the water molecules. Okay. Remove the water molecule in presence of dry HCl. Dry HCl, same condition. Okay, like this. You know, dilute HCl. Dilute HCl. You know, compound like this. R. Okay, R like this. Compound here. C. Oxygen. CH2. Correct? Yes. Name of the compound here, cyclic ketal. Name of the compound, cyclic ketal. Look here, FeN ketone. Look here, everybody. FeN ketone is reacted with ethylene glycol. Ethane 1,2 diols in presence of a dry hydrogen chloride. To form the stable compound is cyclic ketal. Okay, cyclic ketal. The reaction can be reversed by treating with the cyclic ketal with aqueous HCl. Regenerate the ketone. Repeat. FeN cyclic ketal is reacted with dilute HCl, okay, to generate everybody to formation of ketone compound. But everybody, a forward reaction, FeN ketone is reacted with ethane 1,2 diols in presence of dry HCl, it gives cyclic compound. Look here, all of you, simple compound. What is the action of ethylene glycol on acetone? What is the action of, you know, simple. What is the action of ethylene glycol on acetone? You know, compound. Acetone, CH3, name of the compound acetone. Look here, to form here, simple, CH3, next replace R, CH3, formation of cyclic ketal. What is this? A cyclic ketal. Simple, everybody. What is the action of acetone on ethylene glycol? FeN acetone is reacted with ethylene glycol in presence of dry HCl to form cyclic ketal compounds. Okay, a complete the addition reaction. Okay, next addition reaction. a third reaction, addition of alcohol. Complete the reaction, addition of alcohol. Reaction is nucleophilic. Okay, nucleophilic addition reaction. Nucleophilic addition reaction. Everybody, a simple two-step. First is the formation of, in case of aldehyde, formation of hemiacetal, and step second, formation of acetal. Look at in case of ketone, formation of hemiketal, and second, formation of ketal. And third reaction, a reaction ethylene glycol to formation of cyclic ketal. Okay? Thank you all of you. Stop here.